Oh, y'all come on. I'm gonna tie up some loose ends on this camper. Let's get it. This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. Hey guys, so my odds and ends are turning into a whole bunch of odds and not a lot of ends. But what I have done, I have moved the camper back to my house because I got the roof on. It's on, it's dry, and now it can sit out in the weather and I don't have to worry about it. So, next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna start working on this door. I'm gonna start drilling out and making all my holes for all my screws. Come on, let's do it. It is just downright pitiful when your shoulders are so used up you can't raise a drill above your head hardly. Here we go. I'm not sure how far up y'all can see. Now, if you have any question whatsoever about why I space these this way, I have no reason other than these were spaced about the same down at the bottom. Oh, goodness. Goodness. There we go. Now I'm going to put the screws in, but I am not going to permanently set this thing. I'm just going to put screws in. Oh my gosh, I didn't think these were this fat. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I want to use anything that big. I think these are gonna be a little too fat. Not sure why. Did I just grab the wrong ones or what? But so I'll go get some in the morning. All right, what you can't see from that other position, because it's so stinking dark, is I actually got me a piece right there to catch that. Okay. And it latches pretty stinking good. I mean, that's pretty tight. Anyways, I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna hook up some electrical. I'm gonna come on inside, and I am going to start screwing down the rest of the floor. If you look dead center right there, right there, right there, you can see I've got some screws, but I need a whole bunch more in both directions. Let's get going. Here we go. Loose ends, tie them up. We still gotta add some bridge blocking. Oh goodness gracious. And then time for insulation, wall paneling, and We gotta close up these gaps by fixing my metal. Got to bend all these back up where they are up like that and screw them in place. Get them screwed up like that. Start doing our trim around the bottoms. Try to get that ugly place right there covered up. And guys, you know, it's really bugging me. These seams really bugging me. I'm just kind of a perfectionist, I guess. Now, it's not too bad. And for y'all might not be able to see it hardly at all. I don't know. But for me, it is horrific. It's just, oh, it's just driving me nuts. So, I think I've come up with an idea to get rid of them. We'll see. All right. I'll start filming again here in a little bit.